Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about on secure audio and video playback for virtual data rooms. Virtual data rooms are secure online repositories for sharing confidential documents with authorized parties. What are secure audio and video playback features? Encryptions scrambles audio and video files so that they can be played back by authorized users. Access controls allow administrator to control who has access to audio and video files and what they can do with them. Then watermarking can be used to embed a logo or other identifying information in audio and video files. This can help to prevent unauthorized copying and distributions. View only mode prevents user from downloading and sharing audio and video files. This can be useful for sharing sensitive content with potential investor or buyers. Then audit logging trackers all activity in the VDR, including who accessed what audio and video files and when. This information can be used to investigate any suspicious activity. How to secure audio and video playback features to protect businesses. Secure audio and video playback features can help businesses to protect their confidential audio and video files from unauthorized access and use. This can help businesses to reduce the risks of data breaches, fraud, and other security incidents. Secure audio and video playback features can also help businesses to comply with a variety of regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. Here are some specific examples of how secure audio and video playback features can protect its business. Merger and acquisitions. During merger and acquisition transaction, business may need to share confidential audio and video files with potential buyers and investors. Secure audio and video playback features can help to protect this information from unauthorized access and use. Fundraising. When fundraising, businesses may need to share confidential audio and video files with potential investors. Secure audio and video playback features can help to increase investor confidence and close deals more quickly. Real estate deals. When buying or selling real estate, businesses may need to share confidential audio and video files with potential buyers and sellers. Secure audio and video playback features can help to protect this information from unauthorized access and use. Legal proceedings. In a legal proceedings, business may need to share confidential audio and video files with the lawyers and other parties involved in the case. Secure audio and video playback features can help to protect this information from unauthorized access and use. Contract management. Business may need to share confidential audio and video files related to contracts and other legal agreements, and secure audio and video playback features can help to protect these files from unauthorized access and use. Then intellectual property management. Business may need to share confidential audio and video files related to intellectual property such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks. Secure audio and video playback features can help to protect these files from unauthorized access and use. Last of all, conclusion. If you are considering using a VDR, be sure to compare the secure audio and video playback features offered by different providers. Choose a VDR that offers the features that are important to your business and your needs. So that's all everyone. I hope you will understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.